Hey guys, I'm Wes and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this cutting board. It's a pretty unique cutting board. I added a juice groove to it and I also added little handles and some rubber feet to it. I made this board from some locally grown organic maple and walnut accents. The dimensions of this board is 12 inches by 16 inches and it's 1.5 inches thick and it weighs about 7 pounds. And I didn't make this board for myself. I'm actually gonna be putting it up on eBay for auction and one of you guys can own it. I'll put a link to the eBay auction in the link below. There is gonna be no reserve on this, so bid away. I hope it goes for a good penny because I put a lot of time into this. It was hand sanded and everything. And this cutting board is gonna come with my homemade oil and wax finish for it. It's all natural, it's food safe, it's made from mineral oil and natural beeswax. And it comes in a nice 2-ounce container. Now, before we get into this build, if you're new to my channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, ring that bell, leave me a comment, because about 99% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So I would like to see a good portion of my viewers be subscribers. So let's cue the montage.